How's it going, boys? My name is Schlatt, and welcome to another episode of Jackbox. Wait a minute. That's not what I say in my videos. That's Schlatt. That's not me. What I meant to say was I got my friends Cat and the Hurricane together with me to play a little bit of Quiplash 3. For those of you who don't know how to play Quiplash, I'll give you the skinny. At the beginning of each round, you are given 2 prompts to answer in the funniest way that you possibly can. Then once everybody's finished answering, the prompt is shown as well as the 2 answers that were given by players. Everybody who didn't answer that prompt then gets to vote on which answer they think is the funniest. Whoever has the most points at the end of 3 rounds wins. Very easy. Also, did you know that 56% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed? And if you're one of the members of that 56%, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure to click the bell so that you get notified when I make a new video. It's free, it really helps out the channel, and you can always unsubscribe at any time. You guys ready to play some Jackbox?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Love Quiplash.
Yeah, I know Quiplash.
Great value is amazing. Oh. I'm worried since we have 4 that might happen a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's alright. That's fine.
That's alright.
I'm all about sharing points.
How bad does it get if you wash your clothes with cat treats in the pockets?
It's kind of nasty.
Yeah, I'm sure it's bad.
Yeah. Crumbs.
2 different kinds of water.
Farming ends up beating all of us in the end.
All of us. No one will be spared.
Don't bite.
Yeah, you should log in. Tap in, Kajik. Oh dang. Oh.
Alex pulls ahead.
I mean, I did win Best Wit in high school as a superlative.
Nice.
The joke is though that I think it was secretly the You're Just Gay award because it was me and the only other out person at my Catholic high school. That's a sentence right there.
How are we with, this is gonna give mine away. How are we with like parodies of aggressively, traditionally male humor?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I'm into it.
I'm worried I may have given myself away.
Oh, no.
I love it. I fucking love it.
One of these is so morbid and the other one is so sad.
Listen. Listen.
Benjamin.
Listen. Parking enforcement here in Madison wants to feel so fucking important. And they're not even part of the police force
Anymore. No.
Nope.
They took away their fake cop privileges. Oh no!
Wow.
Have you guys been watching the multi-hour-long Nickelodeon sitcom videos from Quentin Reviews like I have been?
No.
I don't know that was a thing.
The latest one is an 8-hour video on seasons 3 and 4 of Victorious.
Oh my god.
I'm obsessed with that.
I named my cat after him. Does no one else feel as though clever and witty are somewhat synonymous?
I like
absolutely.
It does, those kind of mean the same thing.
I was like, what is the difference?
Oh no.
It's like,
You got it right.
oh man. Yeah. I mean.
One's gone more idealist, the other's gone a bit more practical.
I think there's like the immediate and then the long term.
Right, exactly. Because if you do the left, who's to say there won't be more billionaires?
It's true.
Like, where's the wealth gonna go?
Kill 1 billionaire, 2 more start back up.
Exactly.
I think one is the systemic choice and one is the personal choice.
Is that you?
Vacuuming? No.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
text
the other-
vacuum truck.
Yeah.
I mean, no, but I feel like that's very close. My grandma texted me on my birthday and was like, "Oh, you're like a quarter of a century," or this was like a year ago, and I was like, "Yeah, I woke up and my back hurt. I guess it's all downhill from here," and she didn't think it was funny.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Twins.
Wow, there's never a good word.
Oh god.
More mayonnaise. That was my other choice.
Okay. A big bag of
Oh, good job,
Oh. I guess I did type something.
Sorry. Oh,
Boy.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh,
That's
wow, I lucked out on that one.
I was. Oh no. So we agree. He's not a fucking human, right?
No, absolutely.
No. Absolutely. I feel the same way about Bezos. Not a human.
Oh, good job.
Just
Wow.
waiting for someone to unfreeze Walt Disney. That's the end for me.
Oh, I love deviled eggs. Brilliant.
I live it.
Why does the deviled eggs?
I was trying to say something about going down to Georgia, honestly, so thank you.
You're welcome.
Alex,
You're welcome.
for articulating.
Of course, of course. That's hilarious, so Ben. It's not even, it's deviled.
Yeah.
What the devil do?
What's a tense? You gotta play enough rounds to start getting meta humor. That's how you
Truly,
play.
that's how you do it, yes.
I love.
That's me.
I
I'm here for the ass.
I literally admire all the inequalities.
I didn't appreciate that question. It sounded like my therapist.
Yes.
Right?
I'm so proud.
Good job, everybody.
You know what? That first thing, the first one, you only need those two.
Right? You really do.
I was trying to think of something else, and I was like, malosexuality and consent. That's all you really.
Honestly,
you're
just
right.
a
More
little,
was necessary.
little spice.
I can't.
Nice.
Nice.
Boy.
Well done, Kat.
That's such a good one. Oh, you get a little crown. It contrasts so well with your cactus voice. Cactusness.
What's the cat's name?
Hey, George.
Hello.
He uses she, her. It confuses everyone.
I love it.
Although she's a calico, so it's very rare to have a male calico. Even still, you probably see what pronouns you want. Huh? Mm-hmm. I think I just lost all of it. I think I just lost all of
And I
it.
spelled something wrong, so.
I think I just lost literally all of it.
Oh, no.
It's fine.
We'll make it through.
Right? I feel like that's how millionaires get tax breaks. Is you're like, my money counts as a tax break.
Exactly.
My money counts as a dependent.
Or my money is not in this country, therefore it doesn't exist.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
So stupid. Okay,
I win.
win.
Dave Matthews Band wins again.
You win.
That is good. That's
That's a really good. This must have been the one I was not going to. I was going.
Yeah.
Gee,
I was like trying to rhyme.
yeah.
Milk.
That's what Architect says during all their songs.
Wait, isn't that Pantera? Walk.
I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
No.
Okay.
Wow, amazingly that was.
That worked great.
Oh my god.
Flying too close.
That is
I love
so
that. That
funny.
was amazing.
I thought I could have sworn you were the donkey one.
Yeah,
day.
no,
seriously.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, that's about right.
Something ominous. Ominous H.
H.
Just like
For
a
20
breathing
years.
noise.
20
Breathing
years.
noise.
That's so good.
Good job. Good job.
What were you shooting for? I don't know. Just H.
I don't remember. I was deleting it from what it was. And then I was like, I'm not gonna make it.
What's this background supposed to be, do you think?
Honestly, I don't know, but something about it reminds me of like that one level in Kingdom Hearts where you're inside the whale.
Guys, I gotta tell you something. I know we talked in the group chat. I've never owned a PlayStation. I've never played Kingdom Hearts.
Oh dang!
It's coming to Switch. It's coming soon, I promise.
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Damn! Oh no!
So good.
Oh no!
I was so sure it was gonna be that first one.
Oh no!
Canada Kardashian.
That's
Crystal Kardashian. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs Kardashian.
God, that's hard.
At introducing themselves as these Kardashians did put it over the edge for me.
Rounded it out.
All three members of Cat and the Hurricane are better than me at Quiplash.